Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? This is a really great example of gas and oil signs. This is a 24-inch Quaker State bubble tin sign in really great shape. Take a look at it. You see the bubble for those of you who aren't sure. If you take a look at the sign bows out as a bubble, if you will, or if someone to cut. So if you are into Quaker State gas and oil or want just a great sign in great condition, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.